Quiet or noisy?
Noisy.
Oh, that's not his brother.
No.
Where's his brother? Oh, you know what? That's why the letter C borrows the sound from the letter K.
K for Kyra.
Yeah, K also says K, like Kyra. Ira. Yep. He's quiet, and this is his noisy brother, Gene. He says G, 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 G. Open your mouth really big, Jayla. G, 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 G. Like we're drinking water. That's a thirsty kid sound.
Like.
What is that? Good job.
It's like a whale does that.
Yes, a whale.
Yeah.
Oh. This is the letter P. And P says, yes, Zoe, you are just brilliant. And this is his noisy brother. Good job, Zoe. B, 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 B. Very good. Here we have the letter F. These are our teeth touching our lip. This is our lip. We are blowing air. And this is his noisy brother, the letter V. Zoe, very good. That one kind of tickles my lip.
I don't like doing that one.
Me too.
And the F one.
And this is the letter T. So we're going to take our finger and flick it. Like you're flicking something off your finger. And listen, that is what our tongue is doing in our mouth. It's tapping. And here's his noisy brother, the letter D. Yes, dot, D, 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 D. Do this with us, Marty. D, D, D. Good job, Jayla. And we're back to the letter A. Good job, guys.
I like the tunnel there.
Oh, I know, we're going to do